What's up, fellas? Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. If you watch this video, it's because you want to make money online. And if you want to make money online, it's because you want to help your wife and family to have a very good quality of life, which is something very, 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 very awesome. And you should keep up, buddy. Okay, fellas, let's speak a little bit about making money online. As I told you guys before, if you guys want to make money online, the best way for you to make money online means that you have to promote more. The more you promote, the more opportunity you're gonna have to make money. You gotta promote on Facebook, you gotta promote on TikTok, you gotta promote on YouTube. You have to promote. And if you have the opportunity to promote every time, then if you have the opportunity to promote every time, then it's very good for you, buddy. It's very good for you. That's why you have to promote every single day. So, but as I told you before, if you want to promote, then you must have a good product. Yeah, you gotta have a good product. So what am I gonna tell you is that in order to have a good product, you guys can find good products in ClickBank. You guys can go to the ClickBank. What is ClickBank? ClickBank, it is an online platform that allows people to promote their products and allow also people to search for products in order to promote. You go inside, you see a particular product, you get one, how can I say, one stuff that they call it uplink, one link they call it uplink, yeah, and that uplink, you pick up that uplink, you put it on your channel, on Facebook or TikTok or YouTube, and then you promote. And then when your customer click on that link and then see the product and buy the product, you receive a commission, which is very good. So the more customers you have, the more commissions you're gonna get, if they buy. Okay, that's why you have to know how to promote. Later we're gonna make a video which I'm gonna teach you how you can promote with people. Okay, yeah. So as I was telling you this thing, so this is what you gotta do. You have to promote. Now, when you go to ClickBank and then you are picking up a product, you gotta see what kind of product you're buying. You gotta see what kind of product you gotta see what kind of product you buy. Because you cannot just pick it up a product that just like this. You have to see. Well, in ClickBank, there are good products and there are also products that are not so good. So what you have to do, it is that every product that you get from ClickBank, you have to test it. You have to see if the product is good. When you see if the product is good, then you're gonna have that experience. And then when you are promoting, then you can tell your customers, you can tell to your customers your own experience, which is something very cool, Yeah, you can tell your customers your experience, because people, they are much more likely gonna buy a particular product from you if they see that you have experience with that particular product. But one thing is that I want to tell you is that your customers, they always gonna see, the customers always gonna see the truth, because you're gonna tell them about a particular product. They're gonna investigate the product, If they figure it out that what you're saying, it is true, more likely they're gonna buy because they're gonna trust you. It's just like what Zig Ziglar said. If people like you, they're gonna talk to you. But if people trust you, they will do business with you. So this is why I'm trying to tell you that you need to try the product first, and then you need to see if the product is good. Once you conclude that the product is good, then you can promote the product. On ClickBank. Okay, another way for you to find good products, it is that, you have to see, first of all, you gotta know what is your niche, What is your niche? You are in wealth niche or relationship niche or health niche or any niche, okay? Gotta see what is your niche, okay? So when you see your niche, once you know what is your niche, you can go on Facebook, you can go on Facebook or YouTube. YouTube is better, yeah, Facebook or YouTube, no, and then you see who are the best players, who are the people that are already successful on this business, Yeah, you see all of them, you make a list, pick up some 10 people, and then you see what kind of products that they are promoting, Most of the time, it is that if they are promoting a particular product, you also can promote that product. Most of the time, So you see what kind of product they are promoting, you dive in, you search, you figure it out, all this kind of stuff, You search it, you figure it out, you search, you figure it out, all this kind of stuff, and then promote also those kind of products, This is one way for you to figure it out what is the best product out there in the market, Because if you have already a list, of, how can I say, let's say you are seeing the best players in the game, You have a list of 10 people, 10 or 20 people. And between these 10 and 20 people, there is a big ratio of one particular product, like most of them, they are promoting one product. You have to investigate that product, Investigate that product and see if it is good or not good. Once you see if the product is good, you can promote it, okay? Promote that particular product. That's how you're gonna succeed in this marketplace, You gotta promote, Go to ClickBank, watch what the big masters are doing, Go to ClickBank and see the best products, promote. Go to YouTube, see what the masters are doing, and then do what the masters are doing, okay? Yeah, okay guys. Write your comments below and then subscribe to my channel and check the link below so that you can have the opportunity to make money online in a very awesome and effective way. And write your comments, click the like button, and how can I say, share this video because it's a new channel. I'm trying to grow this channel, I want to get to, how can I say, to 100 million followers, yeah? So share this video, buddy, write your comments. And don't forget, respect your family, respect your wife, respect your family, and respect your training, okay? I'll see you in the next video. Bye.